Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete Twitter account permanently. So first, you just have to open or launch your Twitter application, or you can also open your Twitter to your Google web browser or any web browser. So make sure that you have logged in your correct account here. And then what you're going to do next is to look for your profile at the top left corner. Click this picture right here and then scroll down till you see the settings and privacy. So you have to click this one. Now tap this your account below search settings and then scroll down till you see this deactivate your account. Now here's the thing. You cannot delete your account immediately. You will have to deactivate your Twitter account first and you will be given 30 days to come back if you change your mind. After this 30 days grace period, your account will be retrievable, or let's just say it will be deleted. So that's the thing. You don't need to reactivate your account within these 30 days, and that's how you delete your account permanently here on Twitter. You don't need to do anything else. Just click deactivate, enter your password. Once you have entered or type your password, what you're going to do next is to click deactivate, and that's it. Don't reactivate within 30 days and your account will be permanently deleted. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.